All loaded down. Going 250 for the day. Boy, it's so hot. I don't even want to ride, but I don't got nothing else to do today, so I might as well. Oh yeah. Worm at. Hey. Worm at. Oh. Hey, dude. What are you doing?
I didn't see you there, bro.
Give me these hoes, nigga. Hey, you took my glasses because I'm black? Fine now, boy. Oh, hold on. Let me get CeeLo rizzing her up. You ready? Boy getting them digits. That boy getting them digits. Huh? Hey, Renee! Hey, this nigga on the left, you a bitch. That nigga a bitch right there, yeah? Oh, hell no. Huh?
No motor vehicles inside.
Nigga, what happened, bro?
They tried to take me down for my 150.
Nigga got blood on his shirt.
That's from the other guy. I hit him with the 10 mil.
Damn. Nigga, you just caught a body today?
Nah, I didn't kill him.
You didn't kill him? You spared him?
Yeah, I spared him. I shot him in the chest and then the knee.
Oh, you don't believe in taking somebody's life?
Not for fun.
Not for fun.
You got the worm outside. Man, we going out, bro. We going to the trail ride or what? Y'all niggas gonna ride downtown.
Nigga don't ride. I don't even know why he vlogs out for real.
We gonna get some pictures of the bikes and shit, some video of the bikes and shit.
Man, I'm about to burn your ass up. That nigga, whoa, that nigga getting jiggy.
Oh shit, that's live.
My boy over here.
Go for his ass.
Yeah, hell yeah.
GoPro can do that too. What the hell?
That's called the battery dead.
Yeah, that was dead. Come on, put the hell down one.
Hey, who's the mechanic that work on this bitch?
Hey, that's like
No, I left the key on. Alright. I ain't even gonna blame you. I left the key on with this bitch though.
Oh, that was it. I'm about to crash that bitch. I see what we on. Oh, your shit don't start like that. Nah. Any day now. Okay. Oh shit! What the fuck? He just spawned there.
taking this shit over, nigga. Pull up at Houston, nigga. 3 lamb chop. That's a chop. 3 lamb chop. Get my nigga Mo in this bitch.
Hey,
My nigga Mo in this bitch. Turn up, do some love. Straight from the east, straight from east, nigga to the sea, nigga. Money in motion, nigga. Mo. Cut up, boy.
do circles.
Cut up, boy.
Circles, nigga.
Hey, hold on, let me. Hey.
God, and everybody smoking weed, rolling weed. I'm like, walk the fuck. Delicious. But why you rolling up while she preaching to you, bro?
Bro, God put weed on the earth, bro.
That nigga said that's God's hemp right there. The lone wolf. He think he cool because he got a white shirt on. Yeah, stay over there.
Take a picture.
Huh?
Take a picture.
I got you.
Right here.
Oh,
Fuck y'all niggas, man. Shit, nigga.
Nigga, you got glitter on your shirt.
Word to my mother, dummy.
Let me see. I'm about to take a picture of you, bro.
Stand right here, look.
Hey, brother. You ain't want no train. That bitch flew out. Now I'm about to go and get a train.
Yeah. All right, check him. Nigga, you think you photogenic? Hey, he get a little tattoo and don't know how to act.
You fucking ass at taking pictures earlier.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro?
It's
All
all
right.
video.
Fucking wheel! I fucking hate this wheel! Hey, as soon as I go this way, that bitch falls down. Oh yeah, man. That was a cool little ride. Came back in one piece, we ain't fall. Bike ain't break down. We ate good. Had good time. Cool little W ride.